So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna mill those logs and maybe some more. I need to get a lot of milling done. Those are, I'm told, sour cherries. I don't know what that is. I don't know how accurate my neighbor was, but that's what he said. They fell out of the woods into his property. So we're gonna saw these up, see what the innards of these guys look like. Give her some choke. I'm gonna give it a couple of squirts of gas here. Let's take a look at this, how effective this PVC solution is for keeping in corrosion off these rails. Not one bit. When we first, you'll probably need to put that back on here so I can get the other one started. When we first brought the mill home, I mean within a few days, you were starting to see a little corrosion picking up on those things. And I discovered Chuck's solution for this. Not a bit of corrosion. So you do is you squirt some of that automatic transmission fluid into this, the Drextron 3 automatic transmission, into these channels, and then when you put them on here, good to go.
Take a look at this sour cherry here.
So, if this was the wood, look at this. That's kind of pretty. I don't know how well it dries and all that, but up in here it looks like there's some rot and stuff going on. So let's see how this thing turns out in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Because there was a big old hump in here, and I think I got a good enough flat spot now. I can turn it over. So I'm thinking about taking another slice off of this. Go a little deeper, then turn it over, because there's still some weighing down on that end.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, yeah, we never did go and clean that off, did we?
So it has to get cleaned off sooner or later. So I think I'm going to go down about 1 inch and then flip it. got some pretty bad stuff going on up there. Like I said, man, if you could get down into something like this looks decent, but what's with this? How's it going to turn out? Usually cherry wood that I see is a lot clearer than this.
So that's what makes this sour. You see
Maybe
the
that's what makes
potential.
it sour.
You see the awesome potential, and
then it disappoints.
yeah.
But yeah, there's some bad stuff going on in there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, it's not much any good. So I think we're discovering why it's called sour cherry. So you look over here and it's nice and beautiful grain, and you're getting the heart of this thing and it disappoints you. Let's keep going. That's kind of pretty right there.
Yeah, definitely.
We're starting to get into some interesting patterns in the grain here, coloration. So that's, man, if you could get all of that right there, that's real pretty. So it's interesting how this stuff is going to age over time. I think overall it might have been worth milling this just for the experience and then just see how this so-called sour cherry ages.
Yeah, and
It
your
don't cost me anything.
moose has swung between, you know, sweet and sour here through
Uh-huh.
this whole experience.
There's the sweet spot right there.
Just one spot.
I don't know. Where's the sour spot? I don't. Maybe it's
The
that
tail
part in
end,
the middle, the
yeah.
brown stuff in the middle, because that kind of like messes up the whole
Yeah.
cherry vibe, right?
Yeah, it does.